You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In British English, it's normally said as disgruntled. Disgruntled. Disgruntled with a stress on the second syllable, disgruntled. Now in American English, it's sometimes said also as disgruntled. Disgruntled. So you can essentially skip the T, disgruntled or disgruntled. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.